Sarura Kids.
That's okay.
Yes, that's okay.
That was not okay. That was not okay. That was not okay. That was not okay.
Okay.
That was a bit broken.
Yes, it's a bit broken.
That was also broken.
Okay, let's tell people what we're doing today. Today we're doing a little experiment. We are going to try and see if we can make our own special lava lamp. Well, a temporary lava lamp, because Mummy still uses that. So for this you will need water. You will need some vegetable oil. Yes, vegetable oil. I've got 2 lots because we used up that lot. So vegetable oil. And some food colouring. The girls have chosen green. Yes, you need that as well. Well done, sweetie.
Yeah.
The girls have chosen green, so we're making a green lava lamp today. So the first thing that we do is we fill up, well, near enough, about 3/4 of the way, fill up our jug with water.
Yeah.
2/3 maybe. Right, and now we're going to put in the vegetable oil. So watch what happens when we put in the vegetable oil.
With this.
What do you think is going to happen?
Putting water.
Okay, put it in the water and see what happens. Wow! What's it doing?
Bubbles.
It's made what looks like bubbles. It's risen to the top. So the vegetable oil is sitting on top of the water. Now the reason it does that is because oil is less dense than water. No, listen to me. Because oil is less dense than water, it rises. So if something is less dense, it rises. If it's more dense, it sinks. That just reminds Mummy, I forgot a very important part of our experiment. 1 second. Another important part of our experiment, which I'd forgotten, is the salt. The salt is very important. So I think I'll add a little bit more oil. So look what happens when we put the oil in. It always bubbles up to the top. And that's because oil, it's bigger particles than water, but that then makes it less dense, which means it doesn't fall to the bottom. Now watch something very clever. Because we put the oil in and the oil is sitting on the top, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put salt. Now salt is more dense. So what do you think salt is going to do?
Doing bubbles.
It's not going to make bubbles. It's going to do something different. What do you think it might do? Do you think it's going to stay on top or is it going to fall to the bottom?
Yeah.
Which one?
Fall
to the bottom. Good guess. Right, let's see. Now remember, water is okay. Oil is less dense, so the oil is sitting on top. But now when we put something that is heavier than the oil and heavier than the water, look what happens. Thank you. You can help Mummy. Look, it's dropping the oil particles. Wow! So the salt is catching the oil particles and it is all falling to the ground. Isn't that clever?
Go away.
Yeah, isn't that clever? And we'll put a little bit of green in there as well.
Yeah, to put it in.
Yeah, Mummy's ready to put some. So do you see? It's all rising. Isn't that wonderful?
But the sheep.
Mummy's going to put a little light from her phone. So hopefully everyone else can see it just as well. Now, this is the hard part. Can you put the salt in for me, please, sweetie?
Okay.
Put the salt in. There we go. Let go. Let's enough. I do see it going down. Let's put a bit more oil, I think, and then you can do the salt.
Rub this.
Ideally, I need other grown-up hands. Right, you can do the salt. Open it. And stop. Well done. Do you see that rising? Isn't that clever? I wonder what happens if we mix it. Let's give it a little mix. No, nothing much. We have to start again.
Yeah. What's this?
Isn't that clever, baby? Right, let's do this. We'll tip all this out and we'll start it again, okay? And then we just put the green into the water before we put the oil in, okay?
Okay. Now we're doing another one.
Yes, we're doing another one.
Yeah.
So we're going to put water in.
Again. All it.
Yes, not all the water, because our jug is very big. And then we'll put the
Green.
colour in.
What's this? Do it.
That's just green colour.
What's this?
It's kind of sitting at the bottom, isn't it? Isn't that clever? Or maybe do you think it's because we had oil in there? I like that, do you, baby?
I'm going to put this in.
Right, so that was the next thing we did. We put the oil in. Come here.
To close it.
No, we're not closing this one.
It's not anymore.
Empty, yeah, it's empty now, so we can chuck it. We can throw it away.
I'll just throw it away.
I'll throw it away, don't worry. We're finished.
It's
Let's
rubbish.
concentrate. Right, and then we put the oil in.
I'm going to put it.
Oh, well done. It's bubbling, isn't that lovely? Isn't that pretty? And then we're going to put some salt in.
Mom put it in.
Right, you can help Mummy. Give it a shake. You look at the bubbles. You look at the bubbles. Oh, a big plop just went plop. It caught all the oil and it went plop.
No more.
Yeah, look on the side, look on the side, look on the side. What's going to happen? Look on the side, look for it, wait for it, wait for it. Plop! Oh, did you see that?
More.
Yeah, okay, last one.
Okay.
And
It's with
it's
Mommy.
coming, it's coming. Plop! Wow, isn't that clever?
Let's get up. And
Yes. Now you have just learnt about the different densities of liquids. So remember, the reason oil stays up because oil is less dense than water. And the reason that salt drops to the bottom is because salt is more dense than water. Over the light. Isn't that pretty? Yeah.
Look at my button.
Can you see them at the bottom? What do you think will happen if you throw your button in there?
There.
Throw it in and let's see. Your button sank to the bottom.
I'll just take it up.
Yes, we'll take it out. We'll throw the water out and then we'll take it out. But thank you guys for watching. And let's say bye to our friends. And we'll see them again next time.
Take it out.
Yeah, I'm going to take it out. But let's say bye to our friends. And then
Bye.
I'll take it out. Bye.